So for the splashback, I'm putting this hexagon ceramic tile on. In the wall that we've done, I've cut a slot out for the splashback, but these are about 7mm thick, and it's about 14mm thickness with this shiplap. So what I'm going to do is get some of this MDF here, cut it to my size, and I'll just Sikaflex that on and screw it, and then I'll work with that. So I'll have to pack it out about 6-7mm, which is fine. So that's what I'm going to do now.
Packer to make sure all the gaps are the same, because even though they're on a net, the gaps are all different kind of sizes, and the screws also help with that to make sure the gaps aren't too small. And then yeah, we're just screwing it in and then pinching the tiles back because they're stuck down with Sikaflex Pro to make sure they're all pushed in really good.
Looking nice, isn't it?
That's really good.
And then in between the edges we'll just do a black silicone, a kitchen and bathroom mold resistant silicone.
Instead of grout, so it doesn't crack when we drive. So now we're just taking all the screws out. Looks really good. So we're going for the black grout. We used black silicone for kitchen and bathrooms. And yeah, no real grout, so we can make sure that there's no cracks in it, especially when we're going over the corrugated roads. The Sikaflex behind the tiles will also allow them to move with the van, so we don't have any tiles breaking either.
So what we're doing is using black silicone here, and then I'm using a silicone wipe with some soapy water to get it off the edges. And then lastly, we're just getting some wet wipes and some wax and grease remover. And then that's what we're chucking in and just cleaning up all the edges finally to give it a nice clean look. So my next job, my little job to do here is I've just got this, it's like a semicircle of just trim. It is Tasmanian oak, half round, 12 by 6mm, and then what I'm going to do is just Sikaflex it over there. I'll cut these on 45s, run it down, and then on this side here I'm just going to run it out, cut it off, and then once I figure out what I'm going to do about this little panel here, then I'll finish off that trim. So what I'm using is on this 11FC, as you can see it's sandable and paintable. So I've used that on the other one as well, just in case it's out a bit, at least I can sand it back or paint it or whatever I have to do. So that's my rough plan there, just to put it over halfway, and then this one's going to meet it up there, so that looks pretty good. Alright, so I'm just going to let that dry, so I don't know how long it takes. A few hours I'll give it, then I'll take the tape off. So yeah, hopefully that works alright. I'll just have to sand it a bit and then I'll paint it as we go.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.